greetings of the day. Hopefully you are all safe. Today let's talk about something fascinating yet concerning scotoma. If you have ever experienced a blind spot in your vision or noticed patch where things just disappear, you might have encountered a scotoma. Sound interesting, right? Well, let's break it down. What is scotoma? Scotoma is a partial loss of vision or blind spot in an otherwise normal visual field. Our eyes work like camera, capturing images and sending them to the brain. But when a part of this visual information is missing, it's created a scotoma, a patch where vision is impaired or absent. Type of scotoma. Scotoma are not all the same. They come in different types and each has unique cause. 1. Absolute scotoma. A complete blind spot with no vision in the affected area. 2. Relative scotoma. A partial where vision is dim or blurred but not entirely gone. 3. Central scotoma. A blind spot in the center of your vision, often caused by conditions like macular degeneration. 4. Paracentral scotoma. A blind just outside the center of vision, common in early glaucoma. 5. Peripheral scotoma. A blind spot in the outer edge of vision, seen in retinal disease or neurological disorder. Causes of scotoma. Why does this happen? Well, scotoma can result from multiple causes. Optic nerve damage. Conditions like glaucoma or optic neuritis can damage the nerve carrying visual signal. Macular degeneration, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp vision, deteriorates. Brain injury or stroke. Since vision is processed in the brain, damage to visual pathway can cause scotoma. Symptom of scotoma. People with scotoma may notice a dark or blurry patch in their vision, flickering, flashing light or shimmering patterns. Difficulty reading or recognize face due to central vision loss. Treatment depends on the causes. If it's due to migraine, it usually depends on its own. If it's due to glaucoma, macular degeneration or other serious condition, treatment aims at slowing progression, not resolving the damage. Early detection is key, so regular eye checkups are must. This is an optometrist Tohu Sarkar from Professor M.A. Motin, BNSB Eye Hospital, Sirazganj. Proud to be a part of this optometry fraternity as well as proudly dedicated member of optography. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this educational channel and press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any queries, please share with us in the comment section. Thank you.